This is Kevin Edgett with Posiflex, and I'm here at the Focus POS booth with Mike Ham. Mike, can you tell us why you chose Posiflex as your hardware provider?
Well, Posiflex's superior quality and reliability has really helped our dealer network grow. The fanless terminals, they're not bringing in the environmental dust from the restaurants. It's really helped out with the reliability and how well the terminals work. The Posiflex KS series have been a big benefit to our dealers, helping increase profits to the bottom line.
You've also taken advantage of privatizing the bezel on the front of the screen, yes?
Yes, with the Posiflex KS series bezel, it's allowed us to really get the brand recognition that we're looking for Focus POS systems.
One of the other products that you're taking advantage of is the 12-inch rear display. I think recently, Steve and the group out of Arizona is using AV application to run on the 12-inch screen. Am I correct?
Yes, we're able to run AVI images, MPEG images, as well as suggestive selling to help increase the profit for the customer.
Mike, we both know the hospitality industry is a service industry. You need to provide that service to the end users with your system on occasion. We as a manufacturer need to provide you and your resellers with service. Tell us about that a little bit.
I think the biggest benefit that we've got is from the East Coast Distribution Center. It's really cut down on the time of our dealer network to be able to respond to their customers. Service is everything in our business, and with Posiflex's help, we've allowed our dealers to really take care of the customers better.
Tony Pridemore and the Restaurant Computer Solutions Group out of Houston, Texas, has taken advantage of the Posiflex terminal with the Focus POS software application for a major account called Smoothie King. Can you talk a little bit about that?
The quality of the Posiflex KS series has really allowed Tony to show off the best qualities of our software. The fast processor, the great memory, and graphics card that are in the Posiflex KS series has really allowed us to do some things graphically to benefit the end users.
And staying with the Smoothie King, their convention is coming up very soon. We're going to be able to approach them with the 12-inch rear display and the application that you wrote to work for them. Am I correct?
Focus has designed a rear LCD integration with order confirmation that we've presented to the Smoothie King franchises, and it's really taken off. It's allowing them to not only prompt the customer for suggestive sales, but to give that order confirmation to know that there's no mistakes. It's really cutting down on any errors that they're having, not only ringing, but with production, helping not only their sales, but their food loss.
Mike, big picture, overall experience with Posiflex.
You know, I would have to say it's one of the best manufacturers to work with out there. They're extremely responsive to our resellers' needs. They work with us as a corporation as well, and I think it's been a wonderful partnership.
Mike, thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is Kevin Edgett with Posiflex, and I've been with Mike Ham, Focus POS. Gene, you've chosen Posiflex as your hardware provider. Can you tell us the top 3 reasons why?
The top reason is a very nice-looking, aesthetically pleasing to the eye machine. Second would be excellent service as far as customer service from Posiflex goes, and great price points.
Oh, the price point, that brings to mind the KS6215, one of our newest terminals with that low cost, high value. Have you been able to take advantage of that?
We at Fairpoint Solutions have several of the KS series installed, mainly because it's a great unit and it allows me to put on less staff to run service calls, which is great because we can pay more attention to actually selling more units other than repairing them. I'd say over the 8 years that I've been dealing with Fairpoint Solutions and with the Posiflex units, they've gotten better and better and better, and I have no desire really to even look for another piece of hardware to replace it.
We appreciate that, Gene. Thanks for taking time.
My pleasure.
Brandon, you have a choice in providers for the all-in-one touchscreen terminals. Can you tell us why you've chosen Posiflex?
Well, Kevin, I've dealt with a lot of POS products in the past as far as touchscreen terminals go, and I've found that the Posiflex terminal has been the most reliable, easy to use, and easy to support terminal out there. We've dealt with a number of hardware vendors in the past, and Posiflex has definitely been there every step of the way for us.
Big picture overall, the experience with Posiflex and our terminals.
Hands down, Posiflex has been the best I've ever dealt with. The KS series terminal combined with the support from Posiflex has definitely helped our company achieve great profits as well as excellent, reliable product. Both Focus POS and Posiflex partnered together have delivered an excellent solution to our customers.
Thanks, Brandon. It's been a pleasure. Thanks for the business. I'm Kevin Edgett with Posiflex.